How's it going, everyone? So a video that a lot of people want me to make is GDC, GD Culture Group, and looking at this chart, this one's actually not too bad due to the fact that we are due to the EMA 5, this purple band here, and yes, we're not at this lower ATR 4, which is this is a really strong buy zone with time distance away from the EMA 5. And when I'm looking at the volume, it's not like really good. You know, we're less than 1 million, so it's not like ideal for me. But if we're looking at here, we had our big move right in here. This is kind of acting as support right here. As you can see, when we went above this area here, this is your resistance. We filled in this gap right in here. This is your gap. We filled that in with this right in here. You can clearly see, you know, right in here, you have your gap here. We went back, and it makes totally sense we jump up from here. And also, your short-term target would be your EMA 5, which has an easy 18%, EMA 10 is a 35, and then the EMA 20, which is a 61% gain. So, yeah, this one's really to a technical standpoint right here, you break out of this region, you come back, this acts as support. If it breaks through, then yes, you can put some more orders in under here. It is lesser volume, so it could be more manipulated. It also means they can actually pump more too. So if we count the EMA 5 candles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. So do do remember that is 10 daily candles not touching this EMA 5, because as you can see, when a candle touches it, you'll see the wick or the body touching it, and price usually comes back and touches it. When price goes away, it comes back and touches it. All throughout price history, when it goes away, as you can see, when we're hitting the upper HR4, we have this big sell-off. Where do we go back to is these EMA 5s, right? That's your first target, acts as a little bounce, comes up, acts as a little bounce, and then we touch the 20, right? So yeah, this is an interesting stock. I want to keep an eye on it, as it has a beautiful setup right there. And worst case scenario, you just take your gains at the EMA 5 and it has over 10%. I am curious, do we touch this lower ATR 4? This would be a nice buy zone. Also, I'm noticing the K value is at 7.30. I'd like to see under 5. We were seeing it right in here. We had this little dip at 180, and it was getting bought pretty fast here. As you can see on the lower time frame, you see right here we hit 180, and then it goes up. And anytime you see a chart like this that has little spotty dots here, you can see little spots, not full candles. That just means low volume. But this can pick up volume really fast as you go. Let's look at 15-minute time frame. But yeah, you know, that's just how the nature of these pennies work. You know, till low volume till it gets volume. And then you can see like now, like way back in here when it was really pumping, you see these big bodies of candles, right? Look at look at these nice forming candles. But yeah, definitely keep this one on watch. A lot of pennies do like to spike pre-market. Obviously, if any catalyst or news happens, that's another indication. So I love to trade these things at pre-market and sell them, because when the market hours happens, then everyone it tends to take a drop down more. And you can look at the news. I don't see anything alarming at all. We have this short interest right here that was published. Contest collaborations, strategic partnership with Toolin Network. So I'm not seeing anything bad, right? They have a strategic partnership here. The chart looks very good. We filled this gap right down in this area here. Should act as support. So this is your support right here. Can it go lower? Yes, absolutely. But your best risk versus reward is going to be right in here, guys. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this analysis. I'm actually looking to trade this one. Just to the EMA 5, you're looking at a 20% return. And if you guys are in my Discord and you know how I'd like to do, 10% gain is fair enough for me. Anything higher is just nice. It's just cherry on top of the ice cream, and just make sure you trail and stop, and that's the best way you can play this. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Join the Discord. If you want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be in the description. You can't miss it. It'll take you to this free chat landing page, and you'll see people with colored names. If you have a gold, you have the highest tier membership. If you want to do that, just hit day trade alerts, and they'll take you to the highest tier. Or you can hit server shop in here, and you can see the different products I offer at an all-time low cost, 12 bucks a month. And what I just for the day in swing trading plus, and it's cheaper if you do it on your computer. And what I described was a swing trading strategy, right? Obviously, the best, in my opinion, is going to be the day trading. I love day trading the most because it's less patience and you can make money every day and be a full-time trader doing that as long as you learn the strategy, watch the videos. I also do live streams, which you can find right in here, RTK live streams. I also put the link in the description if you want to join that too. But you're gonna have day trade alerts, swing trading education, futures. I teach you guys how to do that, and we also have an automated system for the Discord that will do the 1 minute plays, and you'll understand all of that with the day trading education. Watch plenty of videos. Just watch one a day, and you'll catch up to it. It won't take long to watch them all. And then swing trading education all in here. And you could find this video right here, the swing trading indicators, and you'll get your indicators on your chart that looks like this. And I go into more detailed video of how to actually use them. But when I mean time distance is a crucial thing because what you're looking for is a reversion to the mean, right? You know where price has to come back to, no matter what in price history, it's going to touch this EMA 5, and then most often than not, it goes back down and makes a new low. But just touching that EMA 5 from this here is a 21%. So as long as you're accumulating your average with this, you're close to this ATR4, and you have a low K value, you have a very good probability of winning. You know, nothing is guaranteed, but that's the probability, right? We would have never bought it way up in here as there's no time distance and all that. And looking at this chart, I can see why buyers are starting to pick up in this area. So it definitely makes sense. Here, you fill the gap. Here you have the low support resistance become support, and this is where it initially took off, guys. All right, yeah, GDC is a very nice looking play. I'll be looking to get into this one and see if we get some red on this one because we're definitely due. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the Discord. $12 a month to be a Swing Trading Plus membership, one of the best memberships. And like I said, you're going to love the day trading. It has a lot to offer. But give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.